God bless my husband. This is where he's been spending his night for almost 2 weeks. He sleeps here. He doesn't sleep. He watches over the birds. Okay. Someone, like when the dream is big, you do anything. So, okay, if he can do, you can also do it. Because no one can translate your dreams better than you. That's where he's spending his days. And he says there's so much bugs that bite him overnight. So, thanks, hon. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And a pay, yeah, we are sure. And they are there, 36. And you move overnight and I said then. Time ben or move. Maybe you. And it would say daytime no move. Or move, sir. Maybe I know a yawo. And a damn ventilation is so a temperature is okay. Maybe an air will be. Because almost one against Sana. Imagine Ben say a heating problem. I want a drum. Oh gosh. Yes, this is why my husband wanted to do brooding for himself. If you heard our worker, he said, when I wake up in the morning, when you're brooding, you're not supposed to sleep. I call him, I tell him, Kenneth, were you sleeping? No, madam, I wasn't sleeping. It's like, so my husband, and even with the brothers, we also lost quite a few, even though I had my sisters there. So my husband is like, no way, I need to do my own brooding. So he came down just to do his own brooding. And to be honest, with him being there, we lost 7 during the 2 weeks brooding. 2 was because they jumped in the fire by accident. 1 was dead on arrival. So when you think about it, 4 died in 2 weeks of brooding. This one, we lost over 300 chicks after 2 weeks of brooding because he would sleep. He tells you he wasn't sleeping, but he would sleep during the brooding. So yes, when I say no one can live your dream as you want it, it's true. They don't care about the investment, the money you've put in. They will do whatever and lie to you. So it was important that we did our own brooding and it was successful. Okay, so this is flashback. It was the most stressful time ever. First time in business, you're trying to figure things out, you're doing medication, you're buying feed, and still your birds are dying because the person you're paying to take care of them are doing whatever they want to do when you're not there and then still lying, okay? So that's why he sacrificed to stay on the farm 2 weeks just to look after his own chicks. Brooding room 1. They don't need lights anymore. Yesterday it rained a lot and they were still okay. So by next week they should be okay. Let's check on brooding room 2. Brooding room 2. It looks nice and healthy. Guys, can you believe I haven't actually been in the brooding room? I always stay outside. But still, it's so... Look, I'm sweating. One week, 3 days. They're on vitamins. And then tomorrow is Monday. They'll be on Coxie. And then Tuesday is First Newcastle. Right now they don't have nights. mufumpo nye echiwa wonyina wo adan na no ha. Mufumba chinkwinta minkwinta. Sure, this is bad. Watch out wo. Is it video? One will pack. They're doing stampeding. Days, normally 2 weeks. They're getting their first new castle today. This is week 2. As you can see, they're still very active. The fire, they don't have fires anymore, and it's okay. Since the day 2 of them jumped in there, we haven't been giving them fire overnight, even when it rains, and they're still okay. Very active. Now they can jump up to here. So that's a good sign. And so far, for almost 2 weeks, we've lost 7. So now we have 1,570. We started with 1,577. So this is excellent compared to last 2 years. Getting ready for the vaccination. Room number 2. Let me see if I can capture one. You see, I haven't been in a coop. This is amazing. I usually just stay here. I've been leaving it to my husband and his workers. I haven't really entered in here. I just want to feel one of them, and they're running. Can you just come? Let me capture you. It's good.
It's freezing. I can see. You better cook it in your way. Because mana obi makan chana mana to tiao. You guys have to be careful. I'm from food here.
This is what we get from Newcastle.
Inside.
This is 4,000.
I'm so glad watch it. But I need you more. Come on.
Okay. We remove their water for a few hours, so they're very thirsty. Survival of the fittest. Oh, wow, here they name you know. Oh, who jina water? Obia peronumbi. Obi mu don fa won ho. Mo anum bia mo bayero. Obi mu de wajin kotokunu do won wonyi moro kodo kra. Wana ye. Let me go in there. So they're drinking the vaccination. See? Almost 2 weeks. Okay, mumono meko. They're fighting. Everyone wants it. And these ones, they couldn't care less. Those ones couldn't care less either. It's actually my first time in the coop in 2 weeks. Hot. I've never been in here. Sliding over the water. So I'm put my beans in here. So I'm on channel movie, yeah. No one has space, not now one, yeah. On one channel movie into Bessie Hockett. Or any moon should I and the more will take our time. You couldn't show my doors on holiday. And the moon to Mahaba. Umbra had been also being you. Oh, my baby. Only my backy, my moon cough up on a baking soccer can you pay for? We're still on the vaccination. The dogs are barking, that's why they're like this. So yes, this is end of week 2. Vaccination was successful. Brooding was successful. They look nice and healthy. We're getting them ready to move them to their forever home for the next 2 or more years. Okay, so thank you so much. Sorry about the noise. Church is going on. I'm still doing voiceover. So thank you so much and smile. Bye guys.